In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off automatic brightness. With auto brightness on your iPhone will be able to adapt to the current brightness of your environment, thereby reducing your battery consumption. Now, the first thing to do is go to your iPhone settings. One of the settings, just scroll down and click on accessibility. Once you hit the accessibility button, you want to look for display and text size and tap that. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now you can see there's a feature called auto brightness. Turning off auto brightness may affect battery life and long-term display performance. So just turn off this. Once toggle that off, then the auto brightness will be turned off on your iPhone. With the auto brightness turned off on your device right now, your device will no longer adapt to the current brightness of the environment, as this is going to be used as the phone will use your manual setup of the device brightness. However, to ensure that your battery life long and it increases the performance of the device, you want to turn on auto brightness. So if this is awful, you want to let button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.